Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on Power BI. So basically what we want to do is we want to create some interesting visuals in our Power BI desktop. So what we want to do is if we look in particularly in our Excel file, we do have a database which has the employee names, employee ID, location, date, type of claim and the claims expenses in US dollar. So basically what I want to do is I want to create a dashboard or an interactive visual in a Power BI. So let's get started. So when you go to a Power BI, the first thing is we need to import data from Excel. So we click import data from Excel. You will notice that a box will appear. So what I want to do is I will try to choose downloads. So you must know where you save the file. The file is 24th December 2024. So this is the particular file and you press open. Once you press open, you will notice that a box will appear. So once this box appear, what we need to do is we need to select this particular sheet. So sometimes if we choose import data from Excel, a box will appear and over here all the sheets will appear. So if you notice when I select here, I'm not able to press load, I'm not able to press transform data. So what I need to do is I need to tick this box over here and then I press load. So once I press load, eventually you will notice that the data will be loaded to the Power BI desktop. So it will take some time because it will calculate the number of rows and the size of the data. So once it has loaded the data, you will see here on the data pane, the data will be loaded. So now what we want to do is we want to create a report. So the first thing is I want to create a slicer. As you can refer over here, we do have a slicer visual. Where is it located? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the bottom on the 5th row and on the 3rd column, we do have a slicer. So we click on the slicer and the slicer I want to choose as per location. So I will click on location. So now you'll see the location will be appear as a slicer visual. But I don't want in this format. What I want is I want to turn it into a tiles format. So you go to format your visual and then you go to slicer settings and then instead of vertical list, you choose tile. And then just like that, this is the format. So what I'm going to do is let me expand this. So this is how it looks. So this is our tiles. The next step what I want to do is I want to create a map. So I'll click on this white color screen and I'll choose fill map. Once I click on the fill map, the location I will put at the location item over here. So over here it shows me the location. So if just say when I click on Johor, you will notice that it will show me the location of Johor. So let me just upkeep first. So this is the location of Johor. So if just say I want to click on Mumbai. So once I click Mumbai, it shows us Mumbai. And if I click on Delhi, it shows us Delhi. If just say I click Calcutta, it shows us Calcutta. If I click on Bangalore, it shows us Bangalore. And if I click on other places, yes, it works as well. So this is other places. And when I click on Nakuru, it shows us Nakuru, Perak, and also Pahang. So basically this is what it looks like. So when we click the slicer, it changed dynamically. And what I want to click on this place is I want to show the claims expenses. So I'll click on clustered bar chart, which is located on 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd visual from your left. So 3rd visual, clustered bar chart, and I'll click on the type of the claims and US dollar. So over here we can see for Pahang what are the expenses, and if just say I click on Mumbai, so we notice we have much travel claims in Mumbai as well. But if just say I were to click on Kedah, we will notice that entertainment expenses is the highest. If I click on Hyderabad, we notice that food claims is the highest. So basically when you click this, you notice it changes dynamically. And of course I want to insert the data label. What I can do is I click on this visual, I go to format your visual, and I will turn on the data label. And from here you can see this is the numbers, and I want to increase the size. So what I'll do is I'll go to the value, and instead of 9 I can change here to 15. So now the size looks bigger. I also want to change the y-axis as well. So what I'll do is I'll go to the y-axis. Instead of 9, I change to 15 as well. So now it looks bigger. So that's the way it looks like. So if just say I click Madurai, so what we can understand is in Madurai, the highest expenditure is accommodation. When I click on Pune, so in Pune, food claims is the highest. When I click in Mumbai, travel claim is the highest. So this is what Power BI is. It not only can create a presentation, it can create an interactive presentation. That means when I click the data over here, it changes dynamically.